things you'll need are your bowl of stone, some extra stone, some water, your mixing spatula, your model vibrator. First thing you're gonna do is wet the stone, put a little bit of water. Wet the stone, add a little more water. You want the consistency of like a peanut butter. It's a little dry, add a little more water.
Until you get that sound.
You get that nice creamy look, creamy peanut butter texture. So it's all mixed, incorporated. And we'll go ahead, turn on our vibrator, and we'll sit it on the vibrator and continue to stir it. So it's all incorporated. And then what we'll do is we kind of we're trying to get all the air bubbles out, as much air bubbles as we can. You can see those air bubbles coming up. See the air bubbles coming up. You want as smooth of a mixture as you can get so we don't get air trapped in our model. There we go. Eventually you'll stop seeing air bubbles rise to the surface. That means you got a lot of the air out. We'll set that there. Unwrap our model. Impression. We'll start vibrating it. Take a little bit of stone on your spatula and you just put it right in the corner, and then you vibrate that all around the teeth so that it goes into every structure. When you see an air bubble like that come, you just kind of touch it. And you can watch that stone come all the way down through all the teeth. Add a little more. Same thing, walk it around your impression. Go ahead, we'll add a little more. And same thing, just walk it around your impression. Again, a little more. You basically are going to do this until the whole thing fills up. What?
So she does have a deep palate.
Yeah. Alright, so then once you get it nice and smooth like that, we can go ahead and start adding more stone to it now. Turn this off. And we'll add just a little bit more here. Set this down. And we go take our extra stone that we have. Yep. And then come over here to the paper towel. Not super big, but a little bit. That was perfect. Alright. Are we still rolling? Yep. Okay. So then you'll take your material, put it on the paper towel to make a base. Fold the paper towel over once, pat it down. Dries out the stone this way, so it's not so wet. Do it again. Here. Pat down. You can see we're making a nice little base. And we'll take our impression and we'll put it over right there. Rinse off your spatula, a little bit of water, and you can actually come and clean this off. Make a real nice base here for your patients. There you go.
Ta-da!
That's it.
That's it. Buffalo knife. You have extra stone that has fallen over the tray. Give it a little tap to get this little excess stuff off. Yeah, then you take this end of the buffalo knife, this short end, get it in between the model and the tray, maybe, and give it a couple little nice twists to start separating the model. Yeah, this has been sitting back here for a while until your tray separates, and of course that happened, which is not what's supposed to happen.
No.
But all the alginate will come off.
Well, now I know worst case scenario.
Yeah, just kind of peel the extra alginate away, and this is not going to be a good model. So, yep, okay, that's that. That was a bad case scenario, but it's okay. Go ahead and just show them how to trim
Okay.
some models, and then
Then we're done.
yeah. But
So
that
we're
was
gonna-
fine for now. I mean,
The trimmer right there.